Breaking news coming in. Indian wrestler Narsingh Yadav moves Delhi High Court seeking time-bound completion of the CBI investigation in an alleged case of doping against him before 2016, which had been filed before the 2016 Rio Olympics. So this is the latest on the case where wrestler Narsingh Yadav has now moved the Delhi High Court. He's seeking time-bound completion of the CBI probe which had started against him after a case had been filed. A case of doping which had been filed against him ahead of the 2016 Rio Olympics. So we of course have to wait and see whether the Delhi High Court admits the plea which has been filed now by the Indian wrestler. And this is of course something which the wrestler had in fact been pursuing for quite some time. I'm joined by my colleague Karishma Singh on the phone line. Karishma, take us through the details.
Well, yes, what we're given to understand is that Narsingh Yadav has appealed in the High Court, saying that he wants a time-bound completion of the CBI investigation in the alleged case of doping against him before the 2016 Rio Olympics. Remember, Narsingh Yadav has had a very tough road since the Olympics began, because he actually went to the court to fight a case against Sushil Kumar to win the selection trial, and he won it, and he was selected for the Olympics. And then 2-3 days before his bout, the Court of Arbitration for Sports denied him participating in the Olympics because of his doping charges. Although the National Anti-Doping Agency had exonerated him, but the Court of Arbitration for Sports and WADA considering him guilty. And since then, Narsingh Yadav hasn't really been in form. He hasn't really been wrestling, and he has he has actually disappeared from the wrestling scene altogether, because he is fighting his 4-year ban that has been put by the World Anti-Doping Agency on him. So now he has moved the Delhi High Court, asking that why isn't the CBI completing the inquiry? It's already been 3 years since the CBI started its investigation, and now Narsingh Yadav knocking on the doors of the court, asking for a time-bound completion of the investigation against him, so that he knows whether he can get back to wrestling or not.
Right. Karishma, thank you so much for bringing us that breaking update.